In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install Ubisoft on your Windows computer. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. So the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and search for Ubisoft, and you'll be directed to this official Ubisoft website, where if you click on this link, you will be directed to Ubisoft official website. To download, you can see you have an option to download here, or if you scroll down, you can also download Ubisoft Connect from here. Click on download, and here you'll be required to create an account for you to proceed. Click on create account to log into Ubisoft, and finally now log in to proceed. As you can see, I already created my account here. Now I can proceed and click on download, and the download will begin immediately. You can see it is here. If your download didn't start, you can go ahead and click on this link to try again. So for my case, it is in progress, so I'll just wait. And indeed, here it is done. I'll go ahead and click on the file folder to open it directly and double click on it to run the installer. I will confirm the installation, select the language, I leave it to English, and then click on OK. Here is the license agreement. Scroll up to the end. If you have time, you can read through and then accept. Now you can go ahead and choose the destination folder. So for my case, I'll leave it to this path. You can change by clicking on browse here. Finally, I'll click on install, and here Ubisoft is being installed. Because it is a small file, it will just take some few seconds. And once it's done, now you should see a shortcut for Ubisoft Connect here. I'll finalize by clicking on finish to complete the process. Now from here, you can go ahead and double click on the Ubisoft program to directly launch and open it on your computer. So that's how you can install Ubisoft Connect on your Windows computer. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.